Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you. I want to tell you that sometimes your challenge is too hard for you, and it seems that you can't bear it anymore. And God wants to tell you today that you are not fighting in vain, because God is fighting for you too. You're not fighting alone. Fight till the end. Fight the good fight of faith. Trust in God. Accept His words in your life. Study it. Study it for more and learn from it. Don't be impatient. Make yourself to grow more mature and nurtured by the words of God. Listen to the heartbeat of God. In every seconds. Purify yourself and lay aside the maliciousness.
Stay. Tayo ka. Milo. Mila.
Take the sword of the Spirit. Take the words of God. Put it in your heart, and everything will be changed in your life. Tomorrow is a new day. Do not be sad anymore.